Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So today I'm back with another powerful strategy that we can use to catch spike. Alright, a very powerful strategy indeed. Right, so we'll just be using two moving average. We'll be using just a single moving average and the awesome oscillator. Right, awesome oscillator. Right. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so right now. Hit on the subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn on bell notification. Right, make sure you turn on the bell notification so as for you to be what to get notified each time I'm uploading a new content. Right, each time I'm uploading a new content. Right, so I don't want the video to be too much, and I don't want to bother us with too much information. Right, you can see it's a running trade. Right, it's a running trade. So let's go with the confirmation that we're using. So we're using the moving average. Right, I will drop the setting at the end of the video. Right, but what we need to be put into consideration is that for the time frame now, it works from it works on no time frame. Right now, the problem there is that you have to determine the kind of trader that you are now. Your own personality matters in the sense that are you a what, are you a swing trader, are you a position trader, or you are a scalper. If you observe very well, I'll always keep hammering this thing, because if you don't know the kind of personality that you are, you will really be getting this problem, because you can't expect to be a swing trader and you'll be using a lower time frame that does not correspond to the kind of personality you are. So for the intraday trader now, or scalper, you can just use between 5 minutes 15-minute time frame downward for a quick stop. Right, for a quick snap. So here is how the strategy works. I'm going to be using it on 5 minute time frame and 15-minute time frame to actually filter the what the trend. Right, so what you need to put into consideration is that you see this moving average here. You see this moving average, this is our red moving average. You basically, what we use for is just for to confirm our trend. Right, is a trend, is a dynamic trend moving average. Then do that to confirm the. So what it does is that if price is above it, we are in an what, in an uptrend. So we're looking forward for a buy, and if price is below it, right, we'll be looking forward for a sell. That means we are in a downtrend. What I mean by price is that if the candle is above this moving average, we'll be looking for a buy setup, and if the candle is above it, we'll be looking forward for a sell setup. That is just all you need what the moving average for. Then for the indicator here now, the awesome indicator here now is still going to be the same thing. Right, it's just your confirmation for your buy or your sell. So once you look at it and you see that, okay, once you look at the candlestick, once you look at, so here is it. Right, here is it. So sorry. So like I was saying, if price is above this moving average, so as I was saying, if price is above this moving average, that means we are what? If the candle, what I mean by above is that if this candle is above this moving average, we must be looking forward for a buy, right? And if price is above this, we must be looking forward for a sell. Now, this is for the moving average. Now, on the what indicator, on the main chart. Now, for the indicator window, this is our awesome oscillator. Right, here is our awesome oscillator. So what we'll be looking at here is that we'll be looking at where the awesome oscillator is. You can see this, the awesome oscillator is what is above. Look at this, look at this area here. Right, this is zero level, and we'll take this to be our positive level, and we'll take this to be our negative level. So for this positive level now, that means it is what is an uptrend. Right, you look for buy, and for this negative one now, that means the downtrend, you look for what, you look for sell. Right, you look for sell. So that is how it works. So now, once you look at the what, the confirmation now is that the first confirmation you look at for is that you need to wait for price to check where the candle is. It above this moving average? That is the first confirmation. Right, so the second confirmation now is that You come down to your what, to your awesome oscillator here, this indicator window here, you can see it spike, right? You can see it spike. We are in a downtrend, that one is starting, right? You come down to this awesome oscillator now. Where is the candle? Is it below, which is the negative area, or is it above? If it's below the zero level, that means both your moving average, right, your main chart and your indicator window has aligned, so you are good to go, right? But if you check, your what, but if you check your moving average, if you check your main chart, right, if you check your main chart, but if you check your main chart, right, you check your main chart, and then probably the candle is above this moving average, and then the awesome oscillator is trending down, then you should know that you are in a range. You should be careful. Now, where the logic now comes is that you now need to go to your what, your lower time frame. Remember, this is 15-minute time frame, right? Or if I get to 5-minute time frame, it must still be in alignment with this thing that we have on the 15-minute time frame. Let's go there. So you can see what I'm saying here now. Now on the 15-minute time frame, look at it. On the 5-minute time frame now, look at it. The what, price is above this moving average, right? The downtrend, that means what? Look at the what? Look at the RSI. Look at the awesome oscillator. Sorry. Look at the awesome oscillator. The awesome oscillator is what? Is also below the zero level, which is telling us that we are in a downtrend. So all we need to do is just for us to wait for what? For the spike to come, right? That is where your risk management come now. Now, in ideal situation, you should be using the ratio 1 to 2 ratio. In the sense that I can't tell you should risk 10%, 5%, 1% of your account. No. But all you need to do is that look at, if you are using 10, if you are losing $10, if you are using $1, then you must be able to gain $2, right? So that's at least 1:2, right? 1:2. So let's look at the previous example that we have while we wait for that one too. Now look at it here. Look at the prices are what? Price is above, right? When price close above it, right? From this area here, look at where, look at it downward. You can see that your what? Your the awesome oscillator is below. So it's a very good area for you to enter for your sell. Alright. This is another example here. Look at price is what, above this area. From this area, as this candle close, you can enter for what, for a buy. So normally your stop loss should be below this area, below the what, the the moving average, right? And you can see that your what, your awesome oscillator is above the zero level, which is also confirming the what, confirming the trend for you, right? So I look at this, is the same thing that happened here too. See, right? See, so it's a very good area for you to look at for your setup, right? So don't forget, the risk management is what, ratio, at least ratio 1 to 2. If you are using 10, if you are using $1, then you must be able to what, to gain $2. All right. So let me see where we are. Let me pause the video and see how far we have gone. Right. Let me pause the video. I don't want the video to be too long. All right. Let's see how it works out, sha. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to what, to it. Right? And please do well to drop your comments on the comment section if you have anything that you want to ask. And you can also check my description. You will always find my WhatsApp number there, or my Telegram link. You can always chat me up. And if you want to join about our mentorship group, you are free to watch, to contact me also and know about it. Meanwhile, don't forget, you can see we have another spike. It is a very short downtrend, right? It is sure we are in a downtrend. You can see we have another spike, right? You can see we have another spike. So now, so if you want to actually make this strategy a very accurate one with 85 to 95% accuracy, right? You need to apply your technical analysis, right? You need to apply your technical analysis. So if you are good in technical analysis, you can what combine it with your technical analysis. It will really make you, it will refine your entry and filter the trend for you. And so if you want to know about the technical analysis, you can also DM me to know more about my technical analysis class. Alright, so let me just pause the video and let's wait, let's wait for it to. I don't want the video to be too much, to be too long. So indeed we have the spike. Finally we have the spike. So you can see, right, we are still anticipating for more, for more spike. Right, we are still anticipating for more spike. Right, we are still anticipating for more spike. So this is for what, for this is crash 300. We all know that the spike in crash 300 will always be what, in the downward side. So here is another trade I'm currently running in 300, I think. So you can see, right, now look at it, it's still the same, it's still the same word, it's still the same concept. Look at, look at my entry here. You can see that it's what, price is above this, is below this moving average. This is telling me it's a downtrend. And look at my what, my awesome oscillator is also downside. So that was why I did enter here, and that was why I entered here. So that's the confirmation that you need to look out for. Right, that's the confirmation you need to look out for. You can see, let me go down to or 5 minute time frame. You did have it. So it was actually from 5 minute time frame that I took the what, the setups. Right, you can see this was my first, this was my entry here, this was my entry here. You can see it was below this moving average, and then my awesome oscillator is down here. Though it is late setup, but I can still scrap and get out of the market. Right, I can still scrap and get out of the market. So that is how it works. Right, that is how it works. So it's just what, just follow the same principle, and then do your what, do your technical analysis very very well. Do your technical analysis. Your top down analysis is very very important. And if you know about the institutional trading, like the market, institutional market structure, or support and resistance, all these other block, you can what, you can also apply it to it. It make the strategy, it makes it more accurate, and it helps you to refine the market. So if you are yet to subscribe to the my YouTube channel, please do so. Please hit on the subscribe button, and what, and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime I'm uploading a new comment, a new content, you can always stay updated. And then you can drop what, whatever question you want to ask, drop it on the comment section. And if you are yet, yes, if you are yet to join my Telegram group, please do so too. Right, please do so. Right, do so and join the Telegram group. So bye guys, next day. Let me know whatever you have in the comment section. I'll actually be dropping a version 2 of this strategy. Right, I'll be dropping a version 2. Oh, sorry. We have the spike. We did have the spike. Right, we have the spike here. So, like I said, it's very powerful. It's a long time look at it. So by the time you get to this area, I later added, after doing my top down analysis, I added my what? I added some position to it at this top there, and you can see how far we've gone. Look at the what? Awesome oscillator, and look at the what? Look at the, look at the moving average. So that is how it is. I ensure you practice very well. Practice very well. Guys, let me, you can drop your question in the comment section. You have any question about it. This is very very important. And if you know how institutional market structure, or support and resistance, all this makes it more accurate, and it helps you to refine the market. So if you are yet to subscribe to the my YouTube channel, please do so. Please hit on the subscribe button, and what, and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime I'm uploading a new comment, a new content, you can always stay updated. And then you can drop what, whatever question you want to ask, drop it on the comment section. And if you are yet, yes, if you are yet to join my Telegram group, please do so too. Right, please do so. Right, do so and join the Telegram group. So bye guys, next day. Let me know whatever you have in the comment section. I'll actually be dropping a version 2 of this strategy. Right, I'll be dropping, I've not talked about the settings for it. So sorry. So the setting, the moving average is this. The setting for the moving average is this. Is the period is 21. The method is shift. The shift is 0. Method is exponential applied to close. So you can use any pixel of your choice. Why for the awesome oscillator? The awesome oscillator is default setting. You don't need anything. It's just the default setting, right? It's just the default setting. That is all you need, right? So guys, let me know it in the comment section what you want me talking about in my next video. All right, bye.